Plan My Study is a complete solution for all your educational needs and desires. You be a student or a teacher, be a school or an educational institute, or be a coaching or tuition class. Plan My Study helps you in getting exclusive educational aids at every level. Do it yourself, DIY, science project kits or project components, physics and chemistry laboratory apparatus and equipment and mathematical tools, educational charts on every subject, robot and drone kits, robotics, electronics components, N52 grade neodymium magnets, powerful ferrite magnets, handwriting improvement slates and tools in all languages, microscopes, telescopes, binoculars, and monocular, puzzles and various types of Rubik's Cubes, audio-video based digital learning and English speaking course. Plan My Study has every solution. Visit our website planmystudy.co.in. Hello guys. If you like our products and informative videos, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Plan My Study.